I promise you will like this hairstyle. It's very, very fine.
Hello? Mooka. I'm fine. How are you? And your brother Chima? So what the mama. Okay. And what speak to Ujungwa, she's here. Oh?
Hello? City girl. Mooka the city girl. How are you, my dear? Hey! So this girl you have not changed? Or say what over? Ha! Chineke me. Nakweki geje mebo onwe gi iru Mooka. Hey! What over? You not stop this your what over, bi? Hey! Please, we are missing you so much. When are you coming over to see us? Yes, I'm making Mama's hair. Don't worry. I can't wait to see you myself. I miss you. Eh? I accept your credit as if you are the one that called. Go, village girl. Bye-bye. Mama, I'm going to take you.
Mooka. So what do you want? Oh, bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye. Oh. Wait. I'm on a mode change.
Frank. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I want you to meet my younger sister, Mooka.
Okay.
Yes, Mooka. This is Frank. He will be your home teacher.
Ishoku.
Yes.
No, good afternoon.
Yeah, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thanking you.
Good to know.
Mooka, I want you to comport yourself. Listen to him. Ask questions. And learn for your own good. Okay?
I learning fast. Learning fast. No.
Frank, what can we offer you?
I think I'm fine.
Hey, I want a mineral. Come with ring.
No, don't worry.
No. Don't say that. You must take something. It's your first time here. Huh?
I will put a kai link.
Okay, we are going to start with mathematics.
Matogene, I does not like him maths so.
It's not mathematics, it's mathematics.
What is?
Mathematics. And you really have to like it because you're going to need it in your day-to-day dealings, in calculating money and doing other things. All right?
Okay.
All right, good. Before we go to the complex ones, I would like to ascertain your level of understanding and thinking. So I would ask you a simple question now. If Obi is 15 years old and he is 3 years older than Ada, how old is Ada?
Isono.
No, you don't understand. Let me come again. I said, if Obi is 15 years old and he is 3 years older than Ada, how old is Ada?
Chai! These people can lie. They can lie, so hey, I knowing Ada and Obi in my village. And Obi is 40 years in and Ada is 30 years in. Don't let them deceiving you to flank. A is for amebo. B is for biale krimo. C is for kuriemelo.
Okay. Take this money. That's 10,000 naira.
10,000.
10,000 naira. Okay? Go to the market nearby and buy some items for soup. Precisely egusi soup. I know you like to cook that. So buy them and come and make a lovely soup. I'm expecting someone tomorrow.
Watch
This is a story of a beautiful girl. She's a girl with a golden heart. What she don't like it. But English not to the blue. English na wahala.
I don't like what I hate. My story is different. I don't like what I hate. My life is different. I don't like what I hate. My story is different. I don't like what I hate.
Hey, Chaizo, seeing this fine guessing. Her legacy no good. Chai, she getting killed legacy.
Very fine to me. I don't blame you. Just disappear.
You doing me true? I pity you, yeah, your legacy is not good. You are doing me true. Just look at you, illiterate. You calling me stupidity and illiterateness. I'm killing you today, I'm killing you now. What's your problem? You calling me? I will give it to you. I'll
I don't like what I hate. My story is different. I don't like what I hate. My life is different. I don't like what I hate. My story is different. I don't like what I hate.
Hey, Ndewo.
Welcome. What do you want?
I buy something.
Salt.
Yeah,
100 naira.
You joining them in tiffin? In Uzulu buy, we sold in this thing 15 nairas.
This is city. The cost of living is very high here. But if you don't have enough money, you can take it and pay 15 naira for me later.
Hey, I having money. See, my one name is very rich, you know. Takings.
She's a girl with a golden heart. What she don't like it. But English not to the blue.
Since we are starting, I would like us to continue on a soft note so that you can understand and follow. All right? Do you know your alphabets?
I does not knowing it sometimes.
Sometimes. I mean your A, B, C, D, E, and F. You know, it's very important for you to know this because without this, you can't make complete sentences. In fact, you can't make any sentence. Do you know what a sentence is?
Yes, sentence miss.
I didn't say sentence. Sentence. This is the spelling of a sentence. All right? Don't worry. Let me give you an example of a sentence, just a very short one. Okay. Mooka is sitting. That's a sentence.
Mooka is sitting.
Sitting, not sitting. There is no M.
Okay.
Are you following?
Sitting.
So, Frank, How has it been? Is she learning at all?
Frankly speaking, she's extremely slow at learning. I mean, her rate of understanding is almost at 0 level. But we won't give up on her just yet. We'll keep trying and give her a little more time. She may pick up.
I trust you can handle it.
Nah, of course, of course.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Chima, you don't have to thank me. I'm only doing my job. Besides, I'm getting paid for it.
Oh yes, you are. What can I offer you, please?
Whatever you have.
Asikwa huka kuku hotu daku oje bulu nkita kobuo. Hey, now which kind person be this yo? Woka wanne mu ogini biwegi woka wanne mu ogini biwegi hey
Yes, darling.
No.
Come in, please. Come in. Please, make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
Mooka, meet my woman, Quinn. Quinn? That's my lovely younger sister.
Wow.
Mooka.
Nice meeting you there.
Yes, again.
Mooka. She's greeting you.
And I hear it now. Mbawa willow.
Calm down. Be polite. She's our guest. Darling, just sit down, okay?
Thank you.
Yes. Mooka, please help me take her back to my room.
Huh? Which rooms? Obiro mu go na agbago na room mu. Obiro mu go chema nwanne m. Nwekwe bokata.
Mooka.
Obiro le mu.
Mooka.
Ono.
We have a guest. Be polite. Just take the back to my room.
Anna, go din na akpoge ya na room. Mkpoge ya na guest room.
No, not the guest room. My room. Okay? No argument. Please. Don't worry. Yes. She's very free. Don't mind her.
She's just being careful. I understand.
Yes, and I know you to make good friends.
Sure, we'll be fine soon.
Mwah.
Thank you there.
Please feel free.
Lovely place you have here.
Thank you. We are trying our best. Yeah.
Hey, Chema nwanne, is you going up or is you coming down? Eh? How you moving from Sharon that is buffing to a Queen that is not buffing and baba her fingernails?
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
What do you mean I don't understanding, Guinea? You understanding everything? Eh? You telling me you seeing dirty and stretching markings all over her body? Hey.
Please, Mooka. I beg you in the name of God. Don't start. This was what you did with Sharon. And she left me. If you do this with Queen, she will leave. Biko. However she is, I like her.
Huh?
It's again. Thanks for your observation. Thank you. Thank you. Biko. Oh.
Hey! Chema, one name, you say you liking her? You liking all the AC mama that is fooling her body? You like it? Hey! Okay, me Manula. Come on, get me. Mama, woman. Chema!
Honey.
Yes, baby.
It looks like your sister doesn't like me.
Of course she does. Please don't say that, okay? Look, she's just getting to know you. Huh? Okay?
Are you sure about that?
Absolutely.
Okay, if you say so.
I know so. Look, baby. Come here, baby. Look. I want you to feel free. Feel at home. Okay? After all, this house will soon be your home permanently.
Really?
You know what I mean?
Then I'm at home.
That's my girl.
Thank you, baby.
You know I love you, right?
I love you too.
And you're the most beautiful girl in the whole universe.
Really? Because my name is Queen.
Mwah. Okay, so I guess you'll be doing some magic in the kitchen?
You know?
What name say? What your name say?
You mean my name? My name is Jane. What about you?
Mooka. I like kissing you.
Do you like me? Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, that day I went into marketing. I went into marketing there. Everybody's naming me names. Calling me stupidity girl, rubbishing. It's only you that does not calling me names. Will you be my friendships?
Yes, I'll be your friend.
Hey, you have made it my day. Thanking you. Thanking you. Hey, I've forgotten what brought me here.
Okay.
I wanted to buy bathing sapo, bathing soap, bathing nta, and deto.
Bathing sponge, bathing soap. I'm not gonna.
Deto.
Could it be Ditto? They call it
Nigga para university. Nigga para university. Hey.
your sponge, your bathing soap, and your Ditto.
Detolu. Detolu. Thank you very, very much. Yeah, I am taking your money. You will spoon man. You want to go look.
Amen.
Bye bye. I'm coming back. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Ditto. Oh God. That's very beautiful. What's she up to again?
It's time for you to bathing today.
Excuse me. I beg your pardon.
I beg your pardon too. Why does you not like him to bathing? Seeing AC mama all over your bodies. Dirty. Stretching marks fooling you.
Bush girl. What you're seeing here is not exy, mama, and dirty like you called it. This is called tattoo. You don't know anything.
Ashacha, you liars. Seeing this day Tolu here, I bringing it to washing you off.
Where did Chima get you from? This is not called it's called Ditto. Ditto, bush girl. My friend, get off my sight. What is wrong with you? You're hurting me. Don't stop this. What is wrong with you? Are you okay? I think it's high time you leave this house.
Who lives? You living? Losing your body is mama. You wanting my chamber to marry you. You left, you know. You stay. Let me use this thing. I'm washing all this dirty that is fooling your body. I'm going to go to my house. Let me wash
Selfie time is over. It's time to have
This is the story of the beautiful girl.
help me to pack those things inside. Alright?
She's a girl with a golden heart. What she don't like it. But English not durable. English na wahala.
I don't like what I hate.
Oh, you
My story is different. I don't like what I hate.
Oh,
My
you
life is different. I don't like what I hate.
Jenny.
Hey, Mooka, how are you? My friends. Jenny, because I'm wanting to borrowing you some things.
Borrowing you.
What is it? Hey, ebe hoke ebelebe buru. Maka na mahụ maha ihe mbere na.
So, baby, was Mooka at home when you left?
Yes, she was. Why do you ask?
Nothing really. It's just that each time she's home alone, I'm worried. I just can't help it but wonder what she's up to.
I understand, honey. You know your sister Mooka. She can take care of herself. Don't worry.
I hope so.
Mooka the comedian.
So, I should drop you first, right?
Yeah. You drop me and then you pick me up later.
Sure.
Presentable past tense, no one of past tense, bully present.
Hey,
no one of a second city.
Yeah, one of my
Are you crazy? Let me sleep in my Sylvester. Mooka Ibuemo. Hey, Boko Ibo. Sopo. Sopo. Sukacho Ibo Sopo. Sukacha Sopo.
Hey!
English hyper.
Nothing. Nothing. Nothing.
How are you get?
Okay, what happened? What is wrong? Mooka.
Are you okay? Nothing going on, no. Come, let's take a snapper selfie.
What did you do to your face? Oh my God! Mooka! What are you even doing?
Let us take a snapper selfie, and that's what you bought.
What are you trying to do?
Enter, let's take a selfie.
You mean selfie?
All right, we are going to conclude today's English language classes with tongue twisters. And the essence of these tongue twisters is to improve your pronunciation. Are you following?
I did.
You did. Okay, I'm going to recite a tongue twister. After that, you repeat after me. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Repeat what I said.
Red lolo. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Hey, I'm telling me.
Did I say red lorry, yellow lorry? I said red lorry, yellow lorry.
No.
It's not the same. Anyway, you can recite it on your own, practice it on your own and get it. Let's go straight to mathematics and call it a day because I can see you're tired. All right? So we are going to be doing addition and subtraction. All right? Okay. Okay. Addition and subtraction. All right. Mooka, 1 plus 1 is what?
I does not know you.
How? Please concentrate and think. Now let me give you an example. If I give you one akara and give you another akara, how many akaras will you have?
Hey! Hey, teacher! Teacher, you doing here forming scene that you know it everything. You have fallen it, nah. How you giving me akara and giving me akara again? Eh? You giving me akara, you giving me akam or bread, not another akara again. Ha!
This girl is funny. Mooka. Anyway, it's obvious you're not ready for addition. Let's go to subtraction. Alright? Please, I need you to concentrate. 1 minus 1 is what?
I does not know it, Sam.
Mooka, please. Now, please. We have treated these things over and over again. You can't be telling me you don't know it. Fine. Let me make it easier for you. If I put 1 buns in your hand and take the buns back, what will be remaining in your hand?
Manoni. Hey! Mooka, ejimuka.
Mooka, please, what in God's name is Manoni?
Ele him in the teacher. Eti mo boss, wapo boss. You also got phone kama kwa Manoni. Bikika kula mama mi hikushiga heke biko.
Who cannot want to love? A child so boo. Why she not like it, she not like him. Mind yourself. Okwa single born radical. Why you okay? Nekwagi nekwirugi. Makabitinsi. If I think I beat is panos. Who can want them?
It's rather unfortunate, but your sister seems unteachable.
She seems unteachable, or you don't know how to make her learn.
Far from it, mister.
Then what?
I sincerely think we are forcing her to learn against her will, and that's why she's not learning.
I don't understand. I am paying you to do your job, and you're complaining.
I am not complaining. I am only suggesting that we let her be for now. When she feels the need to learn on her own, she will assimilate more. Because right now, forcing her to learn will yield absolutely nothing.
Ready, Lorry. Hey, they won. Ready, Lorry. Ready, Lorry. Ready, Lorry.
What is she saying?
I'm sorry, Mr. Chima, but that was supposed to be red lorry, yellow lorry.
What?
Ready, Lorry, yellow lorry.
Be careful.
Ready, Lorry, yellow lorry. Ready, Lorry, yellow lorry.
That's exactly what I was saying.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. I'm famished.
You are finished.
No, I meant to say I'm hungry.
You didn't get kitchen. Huh? You people that spoken big grammars, you know when you are hungry, you does not know you what to say. Anyway, will you eating rice?
No, I feel like having hot dog and hot tea. But just I don't have the strength to make it.
I'm done.
Do you know how to make hot dog?
Anajukwaju. Hey, I specialize in hot dogs.
Really?
Hey, no zulai. And I'm a mayor for my year wouldn't quarter to use.
Oh, that's nice. Can you make some for me, please?
Waiting me at Cummings.
Thank you very much. Hot dog. Why is she becoming so nice? It's alright. Let me sit and wait for the hot dog to get here.
Baby.
Yes, darling.
You have drained my energy, baby.
Really?
I'm so hungry right now.
Well?
So, what are we eating?
I'm having hot dog and tea.
Hot dog and tea?
Yeah.
What sort of combination is that?
Well, that's what I feel like having. I don't know about you.
Okay. Well, I'm down with the hot dog.
Okay.
But with noodles. You know how I like it.
Okay, so I will make that for you.
That's my girl. babe.
Yeah.
I actually want some more.
You're looking for who you kill.
Hey, oh no, no, no,
What are you doing with that puppy?
I does not understand you. You didn't make the preparation hot dogging for me. I doesn't eat. If there's not like it this Polish one, I brought in the mama.
No,
You're so daft.
no. What?
Oh my God.
Are you serious? You asked her to prepare hot dog?
She said she knows how to make it. I asked her to make it for me.
You asked her to make hot dog? Just look at her. Does she look like she knows what hot dog means?
Hey, Chima bite. You've forgotten how we doesn't eat in Uzulai. With Nkwacha and hot dog in a walk.
Have you seen it? Huh? Exactly. She doesn't know the difference between a real dog meat and hot dog. I've told you severally. Mind what you ask her to do.
It's not my fault.
Indeed.
This your sister is nothing but a load. You're so sensitive.
You are sentenced. You are subtraction like you.
Hey, enough of that noise. Huh? You two almost killed my dog. Nonsense.
I'm kidding you. Local girl. Push girl. You're not fit for the city. Push girl. She's so daft.
Please, I'm very sorry. I didn't know she misunderstood what I asked her to do. I'm sorry.
Really? You're sorry? So if you weren't in the parlor, she would have killed my puppy.
I'm sorry now. Please forgive me. It will never happen again. I'm sorry. Please.
Sorry.
Thank you. So, when are you going to meet my parents?
Very soon.
Can't wait to be your wife. What's funny?
No, what? I just remember the puppy hot dog. I swear, my sister is the funniest human being on earth.
I'm telling you. Listen, I think it's a bad idea sending her to school. She should just sit at home and make us laugh all day.
Really? No, that's a bad idea, what you just said right now.
You have to think about it. Mooka, the comedian. Oh God, Mooka, the comedian. Babes, why are you not laughing? Come on, let's laugh. After all, you started it.
Hello. This is what happened though. Hey, you're very funny. Thanks you. Hey, Jane, you have boyfriendships?
Boyfriend? No, I don't have.
Why is now?
The last one I had broke my heart, so for now, I want to stay on my own.
Oyiba kali beke bukwa gbara o. Present bulu past tense past tense bulu present future tense jerebe no bono hey past participle on a fiore no want to love or try to sobu. Why she no like it, she no like her more. Mind yourself, okwa single bone radical. Why you okay? Nekwagi nekwirugi, makabitisi. If I think kabitisi, pass. Woka wanemu, ogini biwagi. Woka wanemu, ogini biwagi. Oyiba kali beke bukwa gbara. present, bulu past tense. No bono go. Past tense, bulu present. No bono go. Future tense, cherebe. No bono go. Hey, past participle on a fiore. No bono go.
Uncle, you got to lose a man more going in before we have more. Be the man more room one name.
Excuse me, where did you get this from?
Get it from.
Where did you get the underwear from?
It is not underwear, you know. It is rope. I saw you it at the backyard and I collected it to tie in my room. Why you take underwear from? Why are you losing my room?
Oh my gosh! This girl is just a bush girl! Why did you use my underwear to tie him up?
What I do? Eh? What I do that you shouted at me? What I do?
Oh my god.
What's going on? What is the shouting about again?
Oh, can you imagine? This bush sister of yours is my Victoria's Secret underwear to tie him up. Victoria's Secret underwear. Hello.
Hey! It's a new boy, Vicky. Jimmy, oh, boy, Vicky is sickness. Hey!
Are you laughing? What are Vicky? This no longer funny. What's going on here?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Baby, sorry, please, sorry. Sorry.
Brother?
Sister?
I think you should start thinking of getting married. You are no longer getting younger.
As a matter of fact, I have been thinking towards that direction of getting married. But the problem, in fact, each night I sleep, I say, God, open the door for me to marry. I am telling you this now, as a brother. I am going to marry the moment I find the right woman. The very correct girl, I will marry.
In that case, I have somebody that will make a very good wife to you.
Are you serious?
Yes.
And you didn't tell me all this why?
Anytime I say it is okay. Mooka.
Are you okay? You opened your mouth to suggest Mooka for me. Again? Yeah. I am sure your senses has left the correct place and repositioned itself here. That is the reason you opened your mouth to talk nonsense. You're suggesting Mooka. I should go and marry Mooka. You should have suggested an hermaphrodite or even Onishimwaka for me to marry instead of Mooka.
Has it gotten to that?
It has gotten to that. As a matter of fact, it has gone beyond that.
I was only suggesting. Can't I suggest for my brother?
You are suggesting. Can't you suggest for your brother? If you don't know what to talk, shut up your mouth.
I only suggested though.
How can you suggest for me to go and marry Mooka?
Sorry.
Suggest somebody else.
I'm not suggesting again.
Then shut up. Then shut up your mouth. You are here talking I should go and marry Mooka. Can't, okay, if you know Mooka is a very good girl to marry, why don't you marry Mooka?
You are the other now. How can I marry when you have not married? I'm waiting for you after you and I follow suit.
You follow suit. I follow Abada. You follow suit. Let me tell you, they don't do age in marriage. If you think you are capable, you have it. You go and marry. Haven't you? In fact, have you forgotten that adage that says, so if you have money and you know that, you gotta go and marry Mooka. Why again?
You have to send her back to the village.
What? I'm sorry, I won't.
Listen, She's too timid and uncivilized. She doesn't belong here. She has to go back to the village, please.
Well, she might be timid and uncivilized, but she's my sister. A sister that worked her hands off day and night to see me through school. If not for her, I wouldn't be where I am today. I owe her everything. She's my responsibility, okay?
I know. But you can take care of her from the city while she's in the village. After all, your mother is in the village. And you do take care of her from here.
Quinn, she's not going anywhere.
You have to think about it.
There is nothing to think about.
Chima. That girl is becoming a nuisance in this house. She has to go back to the village.
Mooka. Listen. Quinn wants me to send you back to the village.
Oh man, I goes.
You're not going anywhere. Okay? This is my house. And she cannot dictate what happens in my house. You know go?
Bam. Hey. Manachima one name. Why I talking say I goes is cause I does not want since two both of you to be fighted and quarreling over me. Oh.
Don't worry about that, okay? She's not even my wife yet. And she's already finding it difficult to cope with my family.
Oh.
That's discouraging. Okay.
Alo bata be dialogue pute or eme ko ya nwulu. Chima one name. He does not like her. And assuring well that since I does not like her, Mama will not like her the same too.
Okay. Go and check what you're cooking in the kitchen.
So you wanted and told to my brother Chema to return it to me to the village. Eh, pa?
Yes, Mooka. You have to go back to the village. You're too local to be in the city.
Me local to be here. Eh? We shall see. Who left in here first.
Really?
Really?
Oh. We shall see about that.
You go telling me you and who me and Chema who be that distance. Me left in my own brothers in housing. Hey, you telling me who look at
English na wahala.
I don't like what I hate. My story is different. I don't like what I hate.
what bring here man ulun. Other ke wagu pusa ku born. I know in your plans in this house is to finishing my Chima's monies, but it doesn't work it for you. Menata. Ilamono. E yinge makukum. Ele hinele mtushe buregu. Ndemu.
Not on the dining table, you fool!
I will separate food. Eh? I
Going. I'm not here. I'm finishing everything. How will you mind them? You're not going to bite that. No. Udu! Get away, nonsense.
Hi, Sammy, what's up? I'm not fine. Please, can I come over to your place? No, he's not around. Please, can I just come over? No way, this sister of his around. I'm not just happy. I miss you, baby. Alright, thank you. I'm coming. Okay.
You comes. If you reach in that Sammy's housing, to tell him that God has a sponsor to both of you today. Eh? Hey! Okwelu! Ngo! One them work on who he can you. One them work again here.
Calm down. Okay, I know what you're saying.
Oh, la 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 la. Hey, li 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 li.
You mean she left this house? And for the past 3 days you've not seen her?
Oh, we your chema one them. I no seen her and I sure she no comes back.
She must have eloped with my friend Sammy. Why would they do this to me? Why?
Tima, let them envelope. Let them envelope and leave you alone. I'm not calling that one your friendship. He not your friendship.
God, why am I so unlucky?
You want to disappointment me? You might need disappointmental already. Eh? You crying over those wanting to do rotom for tom, enjoymental themselves somewhere in. You hear crying. Hey, does not crying. Oh, Hishanyang does not crying. Lettering and taking you to places and showing you some things.
Oyiba kari oyibo, oyiba kari beke, beke bukwa bara o. Present bulu past tense, no fono go. Past tense bulu present, afwanu no fono go. Future tense jarebe, no fono go. Past participle on afyo.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Mooka, is this your brother?
Hey! Kubokora Chima, one them. Jeko. Chima, one them.
Yes.
These are my friendships. Jane.
Your friend.
Pleased to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you too, Jane. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. Is this your shop?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Has
You're doing
supermarket.
Impressive.
Yes, sir. Hey, wanting to buy milk.
Milk, which one?
Them got excuse me. Hey, you are quite excused then.
Chima, bye.
What?
Does you like in my friendship?
You mean your friend? Well, she's okay. Why did you ask?
My friendship is beauty. Hard workers. She kind in heart. I wanted you to marry her.
What? So that was your plan? Well, my dear sister, it won't work. Your friend may be good and all you described, okay? But she's not my class. I mean, she's not up to my standard.
Who told that to you? Who told that to you? See, she told that to me that she's doing SS3A, now going university, comes out, become graduation, but no works. She told that to me. She having classical.
Okay, that's not the class I meant. Just forget it. It's okay.
Ugbu a ka m ghọtara ihe ikwu gị. Ugbu a ka m ghọtara ihe ị na-ekwu, mana onweghị ihe megani.
I don't like what I hate. My life is different. I don't like what I hate. My story is different. I don't like what I hate. My life is different.
My friend. How are you?
I tell you where you kept me now. Jenny, I coming to invite you to my boring days Paris. 3 o'clock tomorrow.
You have come again. Which one is boring the parties?
Hey, my team on one day is celebrating it for me.
Hey, even your birthday.
Yes,
hey,
sir.
Happy birthday in advance, my dear
Thank you. I want him when he comes tomorrow. You going down ala Ibogi ala ya. Mwanya ka fo puta shecha kwa gina kwa Christmas ga hi that day. Yiri ya ge puta maka na echi ga adi kpokpo. Celebrate people. Hey, ndo onyonyo geju. O ga adi kpokpo.
You mean television?
And when comes I want you to beautify more than them. Beautifying more than celebrate people. No, yo. And not forgetting to come, hearing.
No problem.
Yes.
Thank you for inviting me.
Correct.
I sure will be there.
Let I go in preparation for tomorrow's investment.
Bye bye.
Hey, bye.
Hey, boring day parties.
Yeah? Who is it? Hello. Come in. Jane, right?
Yes.
Wow. Please come right in. Please, make yourself comfortable. How you doing? You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're here to see Mooka, right?
Yes. When is the party starting?
Party?
Yes, party.
I'm not aware of any party.
Mooka invited me. She said it's her birthday today.
Really?
Yes, really.
Well, it's not her birthday and there's no party. But not to worry, I'm sure she can explain. Mooka! Oh, there you are.
Hey! My friendship has arrived. Fine girl! My friendship. Someone in no sana hepa. Hey! You looking so beautifying and elegant. I was not recognizing to you.
Thank you.
Mooka, she made mention of a party. Did you?
Jema! Now, telling me that my friendship does not looking so classical.
Mooka? Really?
Really?
One never sit and shift things.
No. Mama, I want you to meet Jane. Jane, this is my mother. Mama, she's the one I've chosen to marry. No.
No.
Thank you.
Hey, Ma. Are they doing slaying Quinnies? Slaying Quinnies now. Checking me out. Hey, Ma. I come in, let me go check in some things.
Where's she going to? Yes. Mama, let's go inside.
If you see Mooka, you go know, say, you don't jump down my way, get terror. Jay, Mooka, you bet him money fair. When Mooka jam you with the grammar, ina, ona no kwano jaja, ocharima, asikwa Mooka kuku hotu daku, oje bulun kita kobuo. Hey, now which kind person be this you?
Dikeh, are you serious? Is this a city style bouncing? Can you take a pattern in the village? Welcome. This one I'm saying now. Ain't you gonna be only down North City? You are pushing normal here, sawing and seeing. You can go sawing and sawing. Eh? Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Do you know, I am so happy. Happy that I just want to say that
I love chopping.
It's just that be saying no. It's just that I wanted to tell you that
You liking me?
Yes.
I liking you too.
Were you talking to me?
I beginning to liking you since that time you helping us.
You beginning to like me? The way I'm beginning to like you?
Yes. Unem.
Obiadim. Ay! Ntiadim.
You surprising?
Are you very do you know as it is now, I am liking you, you're liking me. What we are going to do is we'll go to Njideka's house. You know Mazi Okeke? We'll connive with Mazi Okeke and say, Mazi Okeke, let your son go and marry Njideka and she will become Njideka Okeke. Then you,
Mooka!
You now, Mooka, and you marry me and you become Mooka.
Unem. Let's begin to waiting before I change my mind.
Let me take my food. You know this is important.
Yes.
Wait. So, you mean to tell me that your brother is now in love with Mooka? The Mooka that I know? To the extent that they are planning to get married?
My brother, I am surprised myself. Because I remember when I first suggested her to him to marry. He almost beat me up.
You told me.
Hey! And now, look at it, they are both in love. Pure lovers.
I know why. But my sister told me. But I didn't believe her. That means they must have been loving each other all this while.
If you go near me.
Oh.
It was I
wish them well.
That is just it.
We don't have any option than to wish them well.
That is just it.
Who agree with you?
ọsụkwa ka o si asụ ogene bụ iwe gị hey jibi 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 ji pararadam nwoke nwanne m ogene bụ iwe gị nwoke nwanne m ogene bụ iwe gị hey oyibo karịa oyibo oyibo karịa bekee bụkwa gbara present bụrụ past tense n'ofu ọnụgụ past tense bụrụ present ọkwanụ n'ofu ọnụgụ future tense jere ebe n'ofu ọnụgụ hey past participle ọ na-afịa ọkwanụ n'ofu ọnụgụ Mooka no want trouble. Ochora nsogbu. What she no like am. Mind yourself. Okwa single bone radical. Why woke? Nekwagi nekwirugi. Maka bitinsi. Ife tinka bitisi panos. Mooka wanne mu. Ogene bi wegi. Mooka wanne mu. Ogene bi wegi. Hey. Oyibo karịa oyibo